Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and if you want to keep your Ray-Bans really safe, then check out this Ray-Ban sunglasses case. So this case is awesome. I really love it for a few reasons. One, I love the look. It's made of this brown leather and it has a snap closure, which is nice to keep it in place. And on the inside is this really nice soft velvety material. So it is really easy on your glasses when you place them in it. They're not going to get scratched up and they're going to stay really nicely protected. This case is compatible with most Ray-Ban sunglasses. They will fit inside of it. It's nice because you can use this for multiple different styles. And I just think it is the perfect little case. It looks really cute. It does a great job of protecting your investment in your high quality sunglasses. And it is the perfect little size. It is not too bulky, so it is easy to pop it into your purse or in some other bag. So if you're looking for the perfect way to protect your sunglasses, then definitely check out this Ray-Ban case. That's my point of view.